Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. 57 companies have been chosen as part of the fourth cohort of JAMPRO's Export Max program. The group is set to get help with accounting, management, productivity improvements, cross-border selling and other tools to help enhance competitiveness and sustainability in new and existing markets. JAMPRO President Shillette Scott says participants will have access to a wide range of opportunities,
such as the increased technical proficiency enabling export growth, deepened understanding of accessing and exploiting export markets, expanded market access and opportunities. And layering onto this with the support of our partners and sponsors are more targeted and specific benefits, such as inclusion on the Dun & Bradstreet due diligence platform to better assess whether or not you're doing business with the right buyers in overseas markets ahead of sending them your goods or your products. Improved access to financing options through our partners at TVJ and the Exim Bank. Assignments of at least 2 Heart apprentices to support your business endeavors.
She says an assessment will also determine the priority needs for each participant. The Export Max program was first launched in 2011. Gas prices are going up effective Thursday. Each liter of 87 gasoline will sell for 6 cents more. 7 cents will be added to a liter of 90 gasoline. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will drop by $3.06. Kerosene will decline by $4.50. Propane will also go down by $1.09 and 75 cents will be cut from the cost of butane. After Monday's technical issues at the Bank of Jamaica, foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.81. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.79. $201.46 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.36. The JSE index declined by 3,488 points today, while the junior market fell by 4 points. Among the 43 winners, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Key Insurance Company, Epley Carbon Property Fund, Express Catering, and Edufocal. The 50 losers include Blue Power Group, ISP Finance Services, MPC Carbon Clean Energy, iCreate, and 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares. 21 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.